Our fifth element here is the accident investigation. And this one is tricky for a lot of people, especially you as the employee. A lot of times there's small, minor incidents, and then there's those major incidents. The big thing here is that the IIPP does not call for a written investigation on every incident. It only asks for an accident investigation to be performed. So the organization will make a determination on the types of incidents that they want to actually write things out. So the minor things, hey, I cut my finger on a screw, I put a Band-Aid on it, no big deal. I don't need to go and do a full-blown written investigation for that. Be careful, clean it up, make sure that you did actually clean your wound and that you're safe. But the idea here is that some of these things will be written out. The very serious incidents, the amputations, the loss of eyesight, unique hazards that have not been identified before are all going to pop up as part of a written investigation. Pictures may be taken, statements recorded, those types of things. So don't feel that just because someone didn't write something down that they didn't do an accident investigation. They certainly can just have a conversation with you, come out and look at it. They may even just look over the report and kind of talk to you a little bit about it. But there should be some level of investigation done on that. And again, the idea here is not that anyone is in trouble. The idea is that we want to prevent those future incidents from occurring because they could happen to someone else that you work with. They could happen to you again. So we want to learn from those. And a lot of people mistake this. They feel that they're in trouble or that they did something wrong. And I can tell you, again, as a business owner, as a person that has done a whole lot of accident investigations, I never feel like someone's done something wrong. I feel like, okay, where did I fail as the supervisor, as the safety guy, as the owner, in not communicating, not really teaching, not training? You know, what do we do wrong? Do we have a faulty piece of equipment? What's going on? And we want to make sure, like I said, we value you as an employee. We value you as a person, and we want to make sure that you stay safe. So don't feel like you're in trouble. It's never really about that. It's about making sure that you stay safe. Now, again, if you do something really stupid, like bring a gun to work and accidentally shoot somebody, or you don't actually do your pre-trip inspection and you drive super fast and crash into the side of the building on purpose or something like, sure, maybe you'll be in trouble. But 99.999% of the time, people don't do things like that. So again, don't feel like you're in trouble. It's really about making sure these things don't happen again in the future.